fried pita bread with creamy garlic dip. Hi, welcome to Sanjeev Kapoor Khazana. My name is Zai and today I'm going to prepare a quick and simple snack for your parties. The name of the recipe is fried pita bread with creamy garlic dip. Let's quickly run through the ingredients. Pita bread, hung yogurt, cream cheese, chopped parsley, finely chopped garlic, salt, oil for frying. So let's begin with the recipe. I've taken pita bread. I'm going to cut this into two parts. And further, I'm going to cut this into triangles. Now since we are going to fry these pieces of bread, I've already heated some oil. So let's put the pieces of bread in the oil. Fry them till they are nice and crisp. So pita bread is nicely fried. I'm going to drain this to a tissue paper. So we have fried the pita bread. Now I'll take the same oil in another pan and I'm going to fry some garlic. We have to fry the garlic till it is nice and golden brown in color. The garlic is fried to a nice golden brown color. Switch off the heat and I'm quickly going to strain this oil. You can use this oil to flavor your pastas or any other dish. I'm going to keep this aside and I will use this fried garlic in our dip. Let's prepare a quick dip for the pita bread. Take some hung yogurt, cream cheese, add some chopped parsley, little bit of salt and some fried garlic. Mix well. I'm going to transfer this dip in a serving bowl and I'll garnish this with some fried garlic and some more chopped parsley. And we'll serve this dip with some fried pita bread. So fried pita bread with creamy garlic dip is ready. This is the easiest recipe to make, so make every evening special.